welcome back to my channel. In this video I'd like to show you an idea what you can do with your old fireplace. In this place there was obviously all the wooden surroundings, artificial burner with some you know, like a coal in it, yeah. So but I remove it. Obviously I could block it completely, but I just think, you know, if I've got this space, so I can make basically two shelves in it. As you see, there's bricks all around, so I'm not gonna plaster it or do anything with this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna build a small shelf unit, kind of shelf unit with just two shelves on it, and then obviously I'm gonna make it from the MDF. This is 18mm MDF, and when it's built, I'm gonna paint it, or maybe I'll paint it later, I don't know yet. Basically, I'm gonna slide it into the place and finish it all around. So that's the box I'm gonna build. Obviously now it's loose, it's not fixed or glued to anything. Forget about the backboard, I'm gonna cut it to size later. So here's 75 by 75 centimeters, so it will be like a square, but exactly fits in the fireplace. And there'll be two more shelves in the middle. So to screw all of this together, I'm using a single thread wood screw. This is 35 by 30. You can use a bit longer if you want, but that's all I've got, so I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna just pre-drill it and put it a bit deeper. So there will be 3 screws on each shelf, and also you see this. This is a shelf inside. If you're not sure if this is, you know, like it's got 90-degree angle, so you can put one of the shelves inside. So just make sure everything is in line. This is 90-degree angle, nothing standing out. So we have to pre-drill a hole and then screw it. 3 screws on each side. The most important is this edge. It has to be flat to each other, as this will be the front of the shelf unit. A little bit thinner wood drill than the screws. Make sure this goes in the middle of this board. Then the countersink bit, just to make sure that the screw head will be flat with the board. So I've got 2 sides fitted as well as the top. Now I need to fit 2 shelves, basically with the same distance. So if this is 75, I'm gonna measure 25 here and 50 here. The same on the other side. So the shelf unit is almost done, and now I need to fit the back panel. So I'm gonna use this board, cut it to size and just screw it on this side. So the shelf unit is built, so now let's fit it into the fireplace. You see, it's not so perfect as I thought, as I've got holes all around, bigger or smaller. So I'm gonna level it flush to the wall, and then the gaps I'm gonna use this MDF strip and just fix it like so all around. Alright, so this is flush with the wall, so let's do some skirting boards and also the frame all around. So for small jobs like this one, I'm gonna use a grip fil to glue this small skirting board onto the wall. So my new fireplace is ready for painting. It's all sanded down. It needs 3 coats of paint, one of the primer or undercoat, and then 2 the finish coats. So as a primer, I'm gonna use this cheap stuff from B&Q. This is for interiors primer. Obviously I'm gonna use a mini roller and a paintbrush to paint it with the primer. And for final 2 coats I'm gonna use the Dulux quick dry eggshell as a low sheen finish. So it's something between matte and satin. And this is quick dry, so basically you can recoat it after a few hours and starch dry after 1 hour. So that's how it looks after one coat of undercoat or primer. Obviously, you need to paint all the bare MDF and also all the bits that you filled with the wood filler. So now it's time for the finish paint. Obviously, first all the edges, and then we can use a mini roller to paint the flat surface. So that's the final product. As you see, my wife already filled it with some books and games. You can do it yourself at your home. Obviously the chimney is blocked, so Santa has to find another way to bring the presents. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more. And thank you for watching.